Okay, so we're going to show you today how to update the church website, and in particular how to update this graphic here, which shows the coming services for the month we're either about to go into or the month that we are in. You'll also notice that beneath that we also have a list of the readings, but I'll show you how to create those. They're from a file in Publisher. So if you're in Publisher, you want to find this file at the top here, 2020 service times, and then what you need to do is select all of the content here and save it almost like you've taken a photograph of that screen. And we use a bit of software that's down here called Clip in order to do that. So, or sorry, Snip. So take a new snip, and then what you can do is draw a box around the area that you want to take a snip of. So we'll do that quickly just now. I'm not being too accurate about it just because it's for a demonstration. And then when it appears in this box here, you can press save, and then it wants to go into a folder called web work. So when you find the web work folder, you'll see that there's already the one there that we've done, and there's the readings one there as well. So you would basically save the two graphic files in exactly the same way over these older files, and that's then ready to be uploaded onto the website. So I won't save them over there because they're correct as it is. So you can close that off just now. And then what you need to do is, although this shows the website, this isn't actually the editor for the website. And what you would need to do is to launch the software that we use to make changes to our website, which is called Weebly. And you'll see that there's a shortcut to it there. So if you open up a new tab and press on Weebly, it will take you to a login page. And this is the login to get into the website and to make the changes that you need to. It's saved into Google Chrome. But if you ever need a reminder of the password, it's all saved in the password file, which Rolf has access to. So press login. And this takes you to the kind of hub for the site that we're about to edit. And then quite simply, you press edit site. Now when it loads up, what you'll see on the right hand side, it just looks like the website we've just seen on this tab, and as it should. But this will allow you to make changes. So for example, you can select that graphic there, you can select this text box here, you can select the pictures on the web page, you can select the menus, and you can make all sorts of other changes. But for now, all we really want to do is to change this graphic. So click on that box there, and what you want to go to is replace image, and then press upload a photo from your computer. So now going back to the web work folder, we want to select the weekly service pillbox, which we've just saved from Publisher, and press open. That'll upload, and you won't see a change here because it's exactly the same graphic that we're uploading, but that will then appear there. And similarly for the readings, replace image, upload a photo from your computer into the web work folder, select the readings file, and press open. And that then uploads that to there. And at this point, the most important thing that you need to remember and do is press the publish button, because otherwise there's no changes made to the actual live website. So press publish, and you'll get a wee dialog box saying that it's working away publishing the changes. And once you can see this website published, you can then press the cross to close that. So in exactly the same way, you can make changes to any of the pages on the website. One of the other things that you will need to do is to upload the latest issue of Collington News in a PDF format. So if we go to the Collington News page just now, what you'll see down here is the older issue from December and January of Collington News, and what we want to do is change that and do a new version. So click on it there and press upload file from your computer into the team site, into Collington News folder, into the February-March issue folder, and then there's your PDF sitting there, CN 2020 February-March. Click that and press open. And now it will start uploading to the website. You can see the dialog box at the bottom confirming that. And it usually takes a wee while for the software that we use, Scribd, to process the document and to get everything sorted out. Sometimes it does look like it's stopped, or it might say that it's failed. Generally speaking though, every time I've then pressed publish and gone to check it on the live site, it's been absolutely fine. So we'll just let that carry on for a wee moment. But for example, if you needed to change the text here, which you do, because we want to change this to February and March, so if we type over that text just now, and now we can see that the file upload has completed and the new issue of Collington News is showing there. So that's exactly what we want it to do, and of course again we need to go and press the publish button. So we do that just now. That puts the all the changes we've made up onto the website, and there is a further wee bit of text that we need to change here. So the next one is not going to be the February-March issue, it's going to be the April-May issue. So if I type that in just now, April/May 2020 will be available the week commencing, so let's see, Wednesday, that's going to be Wednesday the 1st, so it's the 6th, the week beginning Monday the 6th of April. Thank you for bearing with me while I work that out in my head. And again, we've made a change, so we need to publish that change. And that's that done. So that's a very quick demonstration of how to make changes to the website. You can now tap onto the actual website tab here and do a refresh to see what changes have taken effect. You won't see any changes here because, as I say, we've just used the same graphics. But for example, if you go onto the Collington News page under the Church Life menu, you will see that we have a brand new issue sitting there, and the updated text has been changed as well. Alright, so that's, as I say, a very quick demonstration of how to update the church website.